Hello and welcome to Football Collectibles. Game week number 8 has been ended, so let's review results and open rewards. So this game week it was not a lot of games, only a few international games, and there were only 3 lineups, and one of them gave me tier 2 reward and 1 box. It's a really good game from England. Interesting game from Germany, and let's check what reward will be in tier 1. This box don't give me enough essence to craft today. Maximum 5 essences can be dropped from it. So let's check reward. And who are you, mystery card? Germany, meet Bayern? No, Köln. Okay, I don't know him, but let's check. Let's reveal. Let's start from box. How many essences? Essences 3. 3 essences, so now I have 16 and red 16. I hope on Tuesday we will craft cards, both limited and reds. So go to card to reveal. Let's open. Currently I have only one special edition, Josip Stanisic. And no, it's not special edition. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and see you soon.